Welcome, compliance officers, AML professionals, and banking staff. In the complex world of international finance, safeguarding against illicit activities is not just a duty, it's a critical imperative. This training scenario will immerse you in the real-world challenges of anti-money laundering, AML, within trust administration, preparing you for rigorous audits and evolving regulatory landscapes. Fade into a sleek, glass-walled boardroom overlooking a bustling financial district. The atmosphere is tense and urgent email from the compliance department has just arrived. In the world of international trusts, trustees are the gatekeepers of wealth, privacy, and compliance. As the regulatory landscape shifts and criminal tactics evolve, the challenges grow ever more complex. Our collective vigilance is the first line of defense. Olivia, a diligent trustee, is introduced to a new client, Victor, a charismatic entrepreneur from Eastern Europe, seeking to settle a large sum into an offshore trust. Victor provides basic documents, but the origin of his wealth is unclear. This is a critical onboarding step.
We need to verify both the source of these funds and Victor's overall wealth. Let's request detailed bank statements, business financials, and tax returns. We cannot accept a wire transfer at face value. Robust due diligence is paramount.
The compliance officer says,
Remember, regulators expect us to go beyond the surface. We must cross-check Victor's story with independent sources and ensure funds aren't linked to illicit activity. If anything doesn't add up, we escalate for enhanced due diligence immediately.
The team uncovers inconsistencies in Victor's documents, prompting further investigation and a video call with his accountant. Only after thorough verification and documentation do they proceed, demonstrating best practices in source of wealth/funds verification for audit readiness. Suddenly, news breaks. The jurisdiction where the trust is based has just implemented new AML regulations, requiring all trusts to register their beneficial owners in a centralized database. The team scrambles to understand the implications for ongoing compliance. Now, it is the turn of the head of legal to speak.
The FATF's new guidance and the EU's 6th AML directive mean we must disclose more information than ever before. We need to update our internal policies, train our staff, and ensure Victor's Trust is fully compliant with the new beneficial ownership registry.
Olivia continues.
Let's schedule an urgent training session for all staff and update our onboarding checklists. We cannot afford to fall behind. Non-compliance could mean heavy fines or even criminal liability. Proactive awareness is key.
The team quickly adapts, demonstrating the importance of staying current with regulatory changes and integrating them into daily practice. This proactive approach is essential for any financial institution. As Olivia reviews the trust's assets, she discovers that Victor's wealth is held through a labyrinth of offshore companies, nominee directors, and layered partnerships spanning multiple countries. This presents a significant AML risk. Junior trustee.
How do we even begin to untangle this? Each company is owned by another, and some are in jurisdictions with strict secrecy laws. This complexity demands meticulous investigation.
Olivia.
We need to identify the ultimate beneficial owner behind every entity. This means enhanced due diligence, leveraging technology, and possibly engaging external experts. If we cannot get a clear picture, we may have to decline the business.
The team uses advanced KYC tools and open-source intelligence to map the ownership structure, documenting every step and reporting any red flags. They recognize that complex structures are a major AML risk requiring extra vigilance and robust audit trails. Cue a fast-paced montage, staff attending AML workshops, role-playing suspicious transaction scenarios, and updating compliance manuals. The camera zooms in on a whiteboard, ongoing monitoring, know your client, report suspicious activity. This highlights the training purpose. Trainer.
AML training isn't a one-off event. It's ongoing, tailored to your role, and updated whenever regulations change. You must know how to spot red flags, conduct ongoing monitoring, and file suspicious activity reports if needed.
The montage ends with Olivia reviewing a suspicious transaction alert, demonstrating the importance of continuous monitoring and well-trained staff in preventing money laundering through trusts. This reinforces awareness and compliance. The team receives a new application, a trust for a high net worth client, Maria, whose spouse is a senior government official in a foreign country. The compliance system flags Maria as a potential politically exposed person, PEP. Compliance Officer.
Maria is a politically exposed person. We need enhanced due diligence. Verify her source of wealth, get senior management approval, and set up ongoing monitoring. PEPs are high risk for corruption and money laundering, demanding heightened scrutiny.
Olivia.
Let's screen all related parties, family, close associates, and any companies involved. We'll document every step and ensure we're ready for regulatory scrutiny. Our audit preparation starts now.
The team's thorough approach highlights the challenges of PEP identification, especially in complex, cross-border trust structures, and the need for robust systems and training. This is crucial for all banking staff. An external auditor arrives to review the trust company's AML program. Olivia and her team present their files, detailed SOC documentation, updated compliance manuals, training records, monitoring logs, and PEP screening reports. Auditor.
Impressive. You've demonstrated a risk-based approach, adapted to regulatory changes, and maintained strong controls over complex structures and high-risk clients. This is what good trust administration looks like in 2025, setting a benchmark for financial institutions.
In the shadows of global finance, trustees must be vigilant, adaptable, and ethical. By mastering AML challenges, they protect not only their clients, but the integrity of the entire financial system. Your role is paramount. This scenario underscores the critical importance of robust AML practices. We urge all compliance officers, AML professionals, and banking staff to internalize these lessons. Review your current procedures, enhance your training, and ensure your institution is not just compliant, but truly resilient against financial crime. Let's build a stronger, more secure financial future together.